Hey, Dana here. Hey, we're on my blog. This is going to be a continuation of the federal drone registration course to get my Part 107. And it seems like a lot of you out there really like those questions. Whether they're going to be on the test, I couldn't tell you. But all I can do is study myself, and same with you. Sign up for the Federal Drone Registration Teachable and start studying. I've got a new study guide that I'm checking out right now, and I'll be bringing that to the table as well. So to continue on, I'm on question 70 out of the 114 study questions here. So here we go. And the last one I just did is what could be the consequences of operating a small unmanned aircraft above its maximum allowable weight? Well, you got increased maneuverability, shorter endurance, or faster speed. Well, putting all that weight on there, you're going to be it's working harder, so of course you're going to lose your going to be shorter endurance. Next, the effective use of all available resources, human, hardware, and information prior to and during flight to ensure the successful outcome of the operation is called crew resource management, risk management, safety management systems. Well, in this case, crew resource management, because that takes accountability to everything. Right. The effective use of all available resources. You just did that. Why did I call back? No. That was right. No. Continue. Okay. Which combination of atmospheric conditions will reduce aircraft takeoff and climb performance? Low temperature, low relative humidity, and low density altitude. No. High temperature, low relative humidity, and low density altitude. No. High temperature, high relative humidity, and high density altitude. Those will reduce aircraft and climb performance. Yeah, you don't want all those. All those together are bad news. Continue. Okay. Refer to 22 area 3. The vertical limits of that portion of Class E aerospace designated as federal airway over McGee Airport are Class E, 700 MSL to 12,500 feet MSL, 75 MSL to 1799 feet MSL, 1,200 feet AGL to 1799 feet. Usually Class E's are either 700 feet or 1,200 feet. So let me go find it. Figure 22. What was the last one I was on? 59. Great. All right, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Figure 22. 10. incorporate today. It is my nose. Man. Come on. Let's go. Oh, you're all over the place today. I need 22. We are here. So my question again is 22 Area 3. Vertical limits of that portion of Class E airspace designated as Federal Airway OP are. Let's see. Fortunately, it really doesn't really tell you. Shoals, I got 2,200, 22, 27 in feet. Airspace is going across 77. I gotta go with my normal thought on this one. I say 1200 AG to 1799. Yes, okay, good. 1200 feet AGL to 17999. You're gonna have to feel it. You're gonna have to go through the course, and you're gonna have to figure this out. So, not gonna really be able to memorize these questions. These are just questions that you need to think about and understand before you try and take the test. When operating near an uncontrolled airport, which frequency should a remote pilot use to monitor air traffic? You've got AWOS, Unicom, and CTAF. I'm going to go with Unicom, because it's usually after hours. Jesus, no. It is CTAF. Dang God. 26. What is the appropriate approximate altitude longitude of Cooperstown Airport? I'm gonna fly right over here. Let's see. Let's go to 26. I don't want to keep you guys over 10 minutes. Coming up on it. But I gotta cut out some stuff because it's taking so long to find it. Come on, 26. Chart. Over Jamestown over to Cooperstown. We talk about restricted areas. It's 47, 46. So it's on 40, 46. And what do you do? 46 and 89. Okay. 98. 47. So we're talking 47 and 98. 98 degrees left. west. 6 degrees west. 98. Cooperstown. Right on it. 98 and how many points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 degrees west. 6 degrees west. Yeah, 98 and 6 degrees west. That's correct. Now we're talking 47 and 25 degrees north, or 47 and 55 degrees north. I'm narrowing it down. It was 47. Okay, 47 and it's going to be 55 and 55 degrees north. Let's see if I'm right. Got to be 55 degrees north. Oh. No, it's 47 degrees and 25 degrees north.